Holy shit. Oh god. Okay, so this is the first ride of the Superduke. So got it straight into, so done 1 mile, probably being pushed around when I got it. It was delivered yesterday. Unfortunately, I had both a hangover and back-to-back work. But now, you know, it's just turned 7. The family will be waking up, and I'm out. I'm gone. So I'm gonna just take it easy, get all the bike warmed up, get me warmed up, try and get things bedded in. There's a few small twisty bits near where I live, and then I'm gonna hop around the M25 to Epping Forest, and maybe on to Burnham. We'll see how we go, see how we get on. Just effortless speed. Use engine braking. Far out. Shit the bed. Ooh-wee. Yeah, boy. Right, of course, when I got to the tea hut, it's not open yet. That's okay, because we'll go and do some riding first and then get a coffee later on. Oh, cheeky again. Right, here we are on Burnham Bends, and look at this beauty. So getting rid of those chicken strips already, and what I've done 92 miles this morning, so by the time I get it finished should be running. But look at this beauty. Look at that beauty, man. So I'm going to get a few passes on these roads and then turn off bloody wheelie control and then see how we get on. But so far this morning it's getting used to it and getting me dialed in and getting the bike dialed in and the tyres and the brakes all bedded in. It's crazy, but it needs more sound. That can, I think that once I get over a full system, that's going to be a full system, isn't it? Or at least a can on it, then it'll come alive more. Also when I can use all the full revs and not feel like I'm doing the engine a disservice. But anyway, let's go and do some shizzle. And then get a cake. Great bit of road this. Wasn't people braking on it. Didn't take long, did it?